Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have our 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop. It's got the 3.5 liter in it, the V6, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the Serp belt. If you need that part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To remove the Serpentine belt, you need a special tool or a really long wrench. On this case, it's a 14mm head on a tensioner bolt. So I've got the open end on our extended handle, and we sell this tool on 1A Auto site, and it comes with several other sockets and an extension for angles, and I can use it just with this one with the crow's foot. Slide it right on the bolt of the tensioner, and you're going to go counterclockwise. So I'm going to go back like this. Now you can see the belt has no tension on it. I'm just going to reach down and take the belt off. It does cause to be a little careful because heaven forbid the tool should slip and your fingers are down there. So once the belt is off, just take the tension off and take the tool so you don't have to worry about it. Take it off all the pulleys. The crank is probably going to be the hardest one to reach from up on top here. So now I have the belt off of every pulley except for the crank and the actual tensioner. And you can't get the tool out because the tension's all the way down and it's bottoming out on the top radiator rail. So what I do is I leave the belt on the crank, and I'm going to hold the belt. I'm going to pull this pulley up, and I'm going to hold onto the belt as fast as I can, and as strong as I can, to take the tool off. And it came off the crank. So I took the belt, it's around the crank, around the pulley, and I brought it out back here under this wishbone mount motor support. So now I can take the tensioner right off and slowly let go of the belt. And then I just slide the belt out, off the crank, pull it right out. Access the harmonic balancer. We took the tire off. You might be able to turn it to the side if you don't want to take your tire off, but for us and for you, visual, we took the tire off, make it easier. Then you have this splash shield right here with two bolts holding it in. That's a little 10mm socket. I'm going to take that off. Now Toyota usually has one more in there. It might be a clip. Let's see what we got. Yep, just a clip. And it's a nice little push pin, like most of Toyota's things are. And there we go. Take that cover right off. Now we're going to install our Serp belt, aka drive belt, on a Camry. So I'm going to bring it down to the top here. And I'm going to show you a diagram of how the belt goes in case you don't have access to one, or if you didn't take a good picture, just make it easier for you. So it's going to loop down over the harmonic balancer, around the tensioner, and then come off the harmonic balancer. Sorry. So let's do that together. See if we can get both of them all down there together. So now that the Serp belt is put on, everything looks good. Check it, make sure it's all in line with the pulleys, not off one by one gear, you know, one line of tooth. Before I put the shield on and the fender well, I like to run the car because I want to run it, make sure it goes around several times, make sure it doesn't slide off, or I can't foresee something and it is off a rib. You don't want to have it all back together and then you got to do it all over again. So we'll start her up and make sure it looks good. Now we've run our vehicle, I'm going to put the fender shield on. Remember that had that nose piece that went up in the front here? That's got that little plastic push pin. So first thing I'm going to do is put one of the top bolts on. And I'll put my second bolt. And now I can look up through here, put my push pin in. Perfect. 10mm socket.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.